addition. Do you know, children, what is number story? Number story means the problem which are statement questions which are related to our real life. Okay, especially the keywords we are using for addition. Keywords of addition in number stories. The first keyword of addition is total. When we see the word total in question, then we can add. Okay, children. The next word is in all. In all means adding only. Okay. The next one more word is altogether. Altogether means adding. When we see the word to find altogether, then also we have to add. Okay, children. Some more words are there like more, increase, sum of. Okay, these are all the words used for addition. Yes, children, let us solve number story in practice time 2.3. Okay, now I am reading number story. Listen carefully. Okay, children, 2575 mangoes were produced in one garden and 3798 mangoes in another. How many mangoes are produced altogether? Yes, children? Okay. Children, just now I read the number story. What did you understand? Yes, there are two gardens, isn't it? In first garden there are mango trees and second garden also mango trees only. Yes, when do we get mangoes? In summer. Yes. Who cut the mangoes? Do you know? The gardener. Gardener look after everything. So, the gardener cut the mangoes. Okay. In two gardens, the gardeners cut the mangoes at a time. Okay. So, in first garden, they counted, after cutting the mangoes, they counted all the mangoes. Okay. There are 2575 mangoes. And in the second garden, how many they got? 3978. Okay. See here, the number of mangoes in first garden means first one garden. How many children? 2575. Yes. And number of mangoes in another garden? 3798. Yes, children? What they asked to find out in the problem? How many mangoes were produced altogether in two gardens? Isn't it? Altogether means what? Addition. Okay. Now here already I have written total number of mangoes. Means we have to add this to number of mangoes. 2575 plus 3798. Let us add these two numbers. First to add these two numbers, first we write one number below the other. Exactly according to their places. Okay. Yes, children? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Let us add first ones column. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 30. So, the 13 is the two-digit number. So, 3 I am writing ones column down and taking 1 carried over to next place, which is tens place. Okay. Now, 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 70. Okay. Now 7 I am writing down tens column, then 1 carried over to hundreds column. Okay, children. In hundreds column 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, 12 plus 1 is 30. So 30 means 3 I am writing in hundreds column down and 1 carried over to thousands place. Now add thousands place. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the total number of mangoes are 6373. Okay. Now I am writing the conclusion, children. Conclusion means what? We write the final answer. What they have asked. Okay. Now here, see here. Six 6,373 mangoes were produced in 2 gardens. Okay. Yes, children, let us solve one more number story. Okay, now I am reading the number story. Listen carefully, children. There are 1295 mathematics books. Okay, 1734 science books and 167 English books in a library. How many books are there in the library altogether? I read the number story. What did you understand from the story, children? Library. Yes, library has books, story books, magazines, newspapers. We get a lot of information from the library. Okay. So the given question also, in the given question also, there are mathematics, English and science books are there in the library. Okay. So in detail, how many are there? Now we write in the statement form. See here, the number of mathematics books 1295. Okay, children. Now number of science books 1734. Okay. Then what about English books? 167. Okay, children. 167. Now, how many total number of books are there? Actually, they given in the question altogether. Altogether means what? Addition. I read number story. What did you understand from the story, children? Library. A library has a lot of books. Magazines, newspapers, story books, etc. We get a lot of information from the library. Yes, children? So, given question is also about library. Okay. The question is given the number of mathematics books. How many mathematics books are there in the library? Yes, 1295, isn't it? Now, science books 1734. Okay, children? The number of science books are there. Now, the number of English books 167. Okay. Now, what they asked to find out? How many books are there altogether? Altogether means addition. Here also we have to do addition. Children? Okay. So, let us rewrite all the numbers exactly one below the other. First, 1295. Next, 1734. See, children. Next, English books, the number of digits are only 3. So, 7 in 1's place, 6 in 10's place, 1 in 100's place. Okay. Now, we write the places. 1's, 10's, 100 and 1000. Okay, children? Let us add first one's score. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, isn't it? 9 plus 7. 16. Yes. So, 16 is a 2-digit number. So, 6 we write it down and 1 carried over to next place. Okay. Now, here see, in 10's place. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 which is carried over. Okay. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 is again 2-digit number. So, we write 9 here and 1 carried over to 100's place. Okay, children? It is 100. Now, in 100's place, let us add 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Again, we got the 2-digit number. So 1 we write in hundreds place and 1 carried over to thousands place. In thousands place 1 plus 1. Here it is 0, nothing, only 3 digit number, no, that's what I am writing 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 which is carried over 3. So 3196 books are there in the library. Now let us rewrite the final answer, means conclusion. Okay. But we write the conclusion after addition always. So yes, 3196 books are there in the library.